Alright everyone, pattern-collections.com is where you want to go to find today's pattern focus. We're going to do Crater Ball by Ina Sonnemoser. This one's really cool. I saw this this morning when I was on the website, on the Facebook page. Today is the day that it's being released, even though you won't see it for 2 weeks, because that's how I roll. I'm 2 weeks quote-unquote behind from the web page, and that's so that I have some breathing room with trying to get things videoed and prepared and ready to go, so that if life should happen, you guys still get content every single day, because somewhere down the road back sometime I was behind a whole week because I got sick and I never did quite catch up, which is okay. And then I had another time where I was on vacation for longer than 1 week. So then I got 2 weeks behind, and that's perfect because I think 2 weeks, I don't think I will ever be gone for more than 2 weeks at a time. So I will have 2 weeks in the can, ready to go, so that you guys have content. That's what it is. So Crater Ball is really cool. Look at that thing. Isn't that neat? Yeah, that's neat. So simple. We're going to draw a circular shape. It doesn't have to be a circle. It has to be a circular shape with another circular shape sort of inside. It doesn't, as a matter of fact, being offset is a good thing. So kind of look at it like a fried egg. You're going to draw that, right? Then in the middle, you're going to draw, not in the middle here, but slightly to the edge. You can draw a little like smile and a straight line. See it? And then from that, we're going to radiate around and draw curvy shapes. When you get here, you're going to kind of go the other direction. Whoops. Come on. Why is this having such issues? Phone and I are not getting along right now. Okay, so we're going to start here. You're going to have that little smile. Start here. We're going to work our way around. When you get about to the halfway, you're going to start curving the other direction. Okay? And then you're going to do those same kind of curvy lines again, going around the outer part until you come to this side and start going the other curvy direction. So some of the curves are going this way, some of the curves are going that way, straight across from each other like that. And then you do some shading. Use the green for some shading, right? Or you can color. And she put a stem on hers, which is really cool. I think that's what I'm going to do for mine. And I'm going to just make myself a little crater ball garden and have them all going different directions. I may even, you know, kind of do a what if, and what if my little crater balls were not ball shaped, but sort of more egg-like shaped. We'll see what happens. Okay. I think I'm going to need a border for this time. Like that. And I think I do want to kind of indicate where I want these things to be. I'm going to want one here kind of large, and then maybe another one here kind of large, and then maybe one here, and then perhaps a smaller and a smaller. We'll go with 5 as a composition with kind of stem-like bits going this way. Okay, kind of lollipop-like. That's my composition. And I've planned that out in pencil so that I don't have to think about it while I'm drawing. Get my pen. Decide what goes in front of what. I do think first I was going to put that one in front of that one, but I think I wanted that one behind. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to start with this first one. And I'm going to go kind of an eggy-like shape, sort of round. maybe not really. And then a kind of a roundish shape up there like that. And then I'm going to do my little smile and a straight line here, and then some curves coming this way, and then going the other direction like that. You don't see my little curve there. There, that's better. Okay, and then the same thing coming up here. I'm going to have some little curves coming around this way. And then maybe this way. It's kind of like festoon. A lot like festoon, to be honest. I'm going to do another one here, and maybe this time it's going to be really not curvy. Let's go with a little less control with our pen here, and maybe something like that. We're going to go that way. Like that. And then coming around this way is going to be, ooh, I got a little carried away there. That's okay. This one's got some character to it anyway. But it's definitely festoon-like. What if the circle went a little more oblongy? Like that. Something like that. And then this one, I think, I'm going to go oblongy again. Maybe another one of these kind of quite organic shaped ones. Like so. Like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and make these kind of stems, and I'm going to bring myself my border. I think I'm going to make a fat border. I do like to have a nice contrasting border. I do. And I think I'm going to make it wavy. Wavy on the bottom, straight on the top. And then I'm going to give myself a bit of these stems, like so. And then I'm going to put one back here. Something like that. So now I've got some depth, some layers. And now I'm going to do my shading. I'm going to erase all my little sketch marks though. I could definitely shade without erasing my sketch marks, but I don't feel like it. This one's almost going to be completely shaded in anyways from here. You won't really see much. I'm going to shade there, and then I'm going to shade like that, I think. Something like that. Let's blend that and see what happens. See? Yes. It's looking good. It's starting to get dark. It's 2:30 and it's already starting to get dark. I don't like that. I feel like the day just goes so fast. And then the night is so long. Don't you feel that way? I do. And I didn't get as much done in the morning that I thought I would. I got up early. But then my son was getting ready to leave for the weekend, and he wanted me to help him with a few things, and next thing I knew, it was 10 o'clock and he was leaving, and then I sat down for 10 minutes. Did some dishes, and then the next thing I knew it was like 12 o'clock and it was time for lunch, and then I came out here to draw. So yeah, things were a little funky. I feel like I want some more organic bits here. Need some other forms of life coming up. Very seaweedy like corner kind of something. It needs some bits of life here. There we go. It needed a little something. Okay, what was this called? Something ball. Crater ball. C-R-A-T-E-R. Alright, that was another quick and easy one. Very much like festoon. And, you know, they don't have to be all nice and round and perfectly ball shaped. Hers are, and I think they look cool, but I made mine more free form. You don't have to have a steady hand, and you don't have to have perfectly round shapes or perfectly straight shapes. You can have a wonky thing. That was done on purpose, but if your hand is a hand that is unstable for whatever reason, and most of the time it's physical, you know, you're either aging or you have some physical limitations and you woggle. You know, some people just woggle, and that's okay. You can embrace those woggles and you can still draw a really cool design. You really can. So don't let your physical limitations on your pen skills deter you from giving this a go and practicing, and just draw and enjoy yourself. If you have enjoyed your drawing, you have done a successful drawing. Whether you think it looks nice or not, you have succeeded because you enjoyed yourself. That's the point, that's the goal. So you guys have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. We have 2 more left for this week. I'm going to try to get these darn things done before the sun goes down, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.